No! Help me! Help me!
Okay, don't worry. Help has arrived. I will bring eggs very soon.
We will be waiting here, sir. Thank you very much.
Call back for 8 seconds. Negative K, nothing further. Just see the candy in the corner.
Go, go, go!
Okay, I am going.
Hurry up, you have to come again.
Okay, sir. Bye-bye. Hey guys, your eggs is safe. I have bring one. Don't worry.
Thank you very much.
Well done, that was really quick.
Thank you very much.
Immediately.
Oh my God, thank you very, very much. You are welcome.
Now, hold still and have patience. We will reach there in no time. We must hurry. Okay, now let's get there. It's not that far.
Oh my God, Mr. Hulk, you are very strong.
I appreciate that compliment, miss. I will bring some bridge stocks. It won't take that much time. So, these are those stocks I must carry. It is just so easy. Oh, so this one is second stock. So, this one should be enough.
Mr. Hulk has entrusted me to help them all. I must hurry and do something. This looks so heavy. I wonder how Mr. Hulk was carrying it so easily. But anyways, I must do hurry and help them all. Oh my God, Crane is having hard time pulling it up. I must use full power really fast, else it might drop. Wait, what? This weight is too much for Crane. It is so much hard. Finally, it's pulling it up. That's some great news. Please don't leave land! Oh my God, it's a lots of weight. I am getting scared of it. Hey guys, it's just about some hours work. Please have patience. Oh no, not again! This one seems a little less heavy than the last one, but still creating some trouble pulling it up.
It's getting late. I must hurry. There must be lots of vehicles waiting. Oh, so there is one workplace remaining. That's nice. So this is the last one. I must hurry. I didn't expect there will be this much traffic in line. Oh no, I got slipped. That was so close. God damn it. I think this should be enough.
Wow, the road is finally constructed. I can go without any worries. So amazing. Thank you.
Ow! You can't be serious!
What?
Not again. Ooh, what's this?
Ow!
Oh no! What's going on? Oh no, no!
Victory is ours! Now, let's do this!
Oh my gosh!
Oh no, no!
Ooh, what's this?
That's just freaky! I will cut you down, monster.